Hi, Matt with Signaworks, and I'm here to talk to you today about the correct wiring for the SWT light. We put together this instructional video because of questions that have arisen from the correct wiring on the SWT light, specifically in the AC voltages. This is the SWT light in 110 VAC, and the wiring is a little bit different than you might think it is. Coming out of the base of the light, you have two larger gauge wires in black and white, and then depending on the color configuration, you'll have from 3 to 5 smaller gauge wires. When you wire the light up, as it is here, you'll wire up the two larger gauge wires directly to power, as I have it here. The unit is then energized, but none of the light sections are illuminated. The control comes from dry contacts. So we have the smaller gauge black wire is the control common, and I'm going to connect that up here to the common side of these terminal strips. And then with the other sides here, we have a wire which corresponds to each of the colors represented on the light. So we have a red, amber, and green wire. As I complete the connection between these wires and the common here, then the respective light will illuminate. So once again, the power side of the circuit is here, where there's power being sent to the light to energize it. The control side of the circuit is here. So any switching you will install over here. You only need a dry contact to complete the circuit between the desired color and the common wire. If you have any questions about this or need any more information, please contact us. Thanks.